People are paying to learn this, but I'm going to teach you for free, absolutely free. Photographers will not like this one, but I'm still going to teach you anyway. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional looking AI studio photo with just your phone or your laptop. You don't need a light, you don't need a camera. All you need is just your phone and your laptop. You can also use this to start up a business. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start up a business using this AI photo studio, and I'm going to share with you 3 other AIs that you can use. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel we're all about business growth tips, business ideas, and making money online in general. So if this sounds like something you love, do also hit on that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me thank you in the comment section. You know that right now people pay 10,000 naira and above just to get one studio picture, but with AI you can get exactly the same thing or even better for zero cost. So if you're someone that is shy to stand in front of a camera, this is the game changer for you. You can use this AI pictures as a business owner to create flyers. You can also use it as a content creator to design thumbnails, and you can use it as a fashion designer to model your clothes. So let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you need. You need a clear picture of yourself. Avoid blurry photos or dark images. You need an internet connection, and you need a photo generating AI. So let's begin. First thing you're going to do is to go to Pinterest. You're going to open Pinterest and you search for photo shoot ideas. So I'm going to search for professional photo shoot idea because I want a professional picture I can use for my YouTube thumbnail here. So let me go for this. Let me click on this one. I like this one, so I'm just going to download this. We are going to be making 2 pictures. So I'm going to take one for male and one for female. I'm also going to search for photo shoot ideas for men because we are going to do one for men and one for women. So we are going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to send the image to the image we downloaded. I'm going to send it to ChatGPT and I'll ask ChatGPT to describe this picture for Gemini AI. I'm going to tell it to describe everything excluding the facial features. So I'm just going to send it. So this is it. ChatGPT has given us a prompt we can use. So we've asked it to exclude the facial features. So now we are going to go to Google AI Studio. This is it. We are going to go to Google AI Studio and I'm going to upload an image of myself. I'm going to upload a clear image of myself. Then I'm going to copy that prompt from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to take it to Google AI Studio and I'm going to paste the prompt here. I'm going to tell it to use the exact facial features in the image to create a professional studio. Okay, so important, I also told you to replace the facial features with my exact face from the image I uploaded. Okay, keep every details exactly as described. So I'm going to send it, and now we are waiting for it to generate. So this is it. Amazing. This is what AI gave to us. I look so pretty. So I'm just going to download it. I've downloaded it. Let me be sure I kept it here. I'll go to my download. Okay, it's sitting here pretty. So we are going to do one more. So I'm also going to attach this picture, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt. Let me copy the other one. So I'm going to give ChatGPT the exact prompt. So ChatGPT has given me the prompt, and you can also get, there are sites where you can get prompts. So you can also get prompts from different sites. And I'm also going to be leaving my prompts in the description. So just get to the description of this video and get my prompt. If you have that prompt, you will not need to do all this. You will just take it to Google AI Studio, and it's going to, you're just going to send your own picture, and Google AI will generate it for you with that prompt. Let's copy this prompt. Let's head back to Google AI Studio, and I'm just going to send the image that I'm about to generate. Then I'm going to put in the prompt, and I will tell it to use the, I will tell it to use the exact facial features in the image to create, and I'm going to send it. So let's just wait to see what this AI is going to generate. So here is it. I'm just going to download it. I saw an advert on Facebook and TikTok. People charge 2,000 naira to generate these AI photos. So if you're looking for a side hustle to start, you can start advertising. You can make images and start advertising it. In fact, once you post, people will start asking you, how did you do it? Or you should make for them. Then you can charge them and make one for them. So if you finally decide to use these AI photos as a business or a side hustle, I'll leave my 30 days content prompt in the description so you can get my prompt to advertise your business. Yeah, I'm going to also leave the link to get those AI prompts in the description of this video. I'll give you like 10 different AI prompts that you can use to generate your own image. I told you at the end of this video, I'll give you 3 other AI tools you can try. So you can also try Photo Room. You can use Photo Room to generate product photos, and you can also use it to clean messy backgrounds. The next AI you can use is Remini AI. You can use Remini AI to make a blurry image clear. You can use it to get back the quality from a blurry image, and you can also try out Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai can also be used to generate photo studio pictures. And that's it. You finally learned how to generate your own AI studio photo, and you can also use it as a business or a side hustle. So if you learned something new today and you enjoyed this video, do also smash on that subscribe button, like this video, tell me thank you in the comment section. And if there's any other thing you would like to learn, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll make a video for you.